All right, so you did an oil change on your Audi, or you're just checking for your oil level in general, and you realize that, you know what, there's no dipstick on the actual engine. Well, the only way to check that is actually on the MMI system inside the car, but that's just an annoying system, and I personally do not really trust it. So I picked up an actual dipstick from Eurotuning. And just for some more clarification, the car actually comes with a slot for the dipstick. It's actually right here. This black tab right here is actually where your dipstick goes, but if you pull that out, it's literally just a plug. So I'm not sure why I decided to cheap out like that and not put a dipstick, but that's where your dipstick goes. So let's crack open this box and see what we can do. All right, so this is the dipstick that I have acquired from Eurotuning. You guys should get the part number down right here. I will also link this product in the description below. So there's actually a few places you can get these dipsticks at, one being on Amazon, the other being on other European websites that sell parts for Audi. But I just don't trust the one on Amazon specifically because I don't believe that one actually fits into the car. And of course, it might break off. So I went with Eurotuning, and they should make a high quality product that fits the car. So let's actually plug this new dipstick in and see how much oil we have. So let's remove the cap. And we can slide our new dipstick into the hole. Here we go. And let's see what our oil level is at. So, all right, as you see, we're right there pretty close to the max line. So I'm gonna add just a tad bit more oil and we should be good to go. Slide this back on in here. Now we officially have a dipstick in our Audi, and this is just so much more convenient than checking the actual MMI. That's a hassle to deal with. If I want to know the oil, I want to know it right now, and that's what that is for. All right, as I said before, link in the description below for this specific oil dipstick right here. I'll link a few others as well. They're all about the same price, but I definitely go with the Eurotuning one and just, make sure it fits the exact car. If you have any questions about the car or the dipstick, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like this video. It really helps me out. Other than that, thanks for watching.